Alright, well, so my sb220 is finally starting to get to the point where I'm probably going to need to rebuild it, so that's what I'm doing. So, this one I think is pretty much all original. It's got some maybe extra stuff on the shunt right here. It's got the capacitors and resistors across the diodes, and all the nice stuff down here. So I need to convert my other one down here at some point. Is this thing's like almost new in the inside, but I'm gonna probably recap it too. But it doesn't have 10 meters, so I need to study this. And you know, there's a difference on this coil tap here. So I've went through this once before, so I don't know how well you can tell, but the inside of the case has been painted flat black to cut down on the reflection of the heat on the shiny surface of the aluminum. But what we're dealing with here is this really old capacitor bank here, and every time I use this thing, even just for a minute, I can smell the old Band-Aid smell. So I should have them in a couple of days. I'm just doing a quick walkthrough video kind of for my own personal reference. And then on the bottom side here, so January 2018, I marked it on here because I don't plan on getting rid of this thing, but I did a direct ground grid. I did both of them that way. I took all the crap off of here. There was a bunch of stuff that was on here per Rich Measures, and I'm not concerned about it. So this guy's been replaced. There's been a bias change on it too. I don't remember exactly, but it's something to do with over here. And then you got another issue too if you run this in on 220 volts, because from the way they had it set up, if you don't change, I think I don't think it's that wire. I'm not sure. The yellow wire, I think, has to get moved somewhere over here. Or you're basically putting 240 volts on the filament transformer when it was really not designed to have that much. So there's just a few things that these things need done to them, but that's direct ground grid. I think I added a few holes or something, but anyway, and it's always had the standby operate. So these ones came with it. They have the in and the out, and also this one's got the Heathkit relay modification, so the power doesn't run through the switch. Another thing about these, the meters don't light up, which I don't like. They're not the same kind of meter. So stay tuned, and I'll have more videos on the rebuild of the power supply capacitor bank on the sb220 7.3. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, otherwise you won't know when I post something. So there you go, guys.